If I were starting to use AI for UX design in 2025, how would I approach it? Would I simply type a prompt, click generate, and call it a day? No. That would not even be UX design. That would be some kind of automated templates duplication. AI should enhance our workflow, not replace design thinking. And if you use it right, it will save you a lot of time. It will boost your creativity and make your life way easier. So where do you start? Let me show you. Hello, MJ here, and the question today is, how do I start using AI in UX design? Well, AI is evolving rapidly, and the sooner you begin experimenting with it, the better positioned you'll be. However, you don't need to overhaul your entire workflow overnight. You can actually begin just by dedicating a small portion of your time on learning AI tools, maybe just 30 minutes or an hour a week. But this time investment will pay in the long run by saving you hours, if not days, of repetitive work. Think of it as continuous improvement. The time you invest in learning now will significantly optimize your workflow in the future. Also, prioritize low-cost or free tools. Before committing to any AI premium subscriptions, explore free or budget-friendly tools. Some excellent starting points could be ChatGPT or DeepSeek, which can be used for brainstorming, summarizing research, or refining ideas. You can use Midjourney for design brainstorming and inspiration. There's also Chroma and FontJoy, which help you in generating color palettes and find font pairings. You can also check Figma AI, which will be perfect if you are already paying for it. Many of these tools are either free or have free tiers that could allow you to explore them without financial commitment. Audit your current design process. Before even incorporating AI, assess where in your workflow you are spending the most time, and specifically look for things like repetitive tasks. Are you frequently renaming layouts, resizing components, or formatting text? Also look for time-consuming processes. Is user research taking too long maybe? Also look for tasks that don't require deep creativity, like summarizing documents, which you can actually do with Cloud AI. Or do you take a lot of time looking for placeholder images or any UI element? AI is most effective when it automates tasks that don't require creative decision making. So identify those areas first. Assign the right tasks to AI. Once you identify the inefficiencies of your process, delegate the appropriate tasks to AI. Remember, AI should assist with execution, not replace your critical thinking. For example, you can use AI for generating placeholder content, but refine the actual experiences yourself. Let AI summarize large data sets, but analyze and get the right insights yourself. Automate the tedious wireframing steps, but ensure the design actually aligns with the user needs. The key here is balance. AI can accelerate workflows, but the strategic decisions should remain in human hands. You can also use AI to enhance your quality of life as a designer, because UX design roles are always expanding, and it often feels like new responsibilities are added to our workflow every single day. Oh, you are a UX designer. Can you make me a logo? That's the job of the branding team. Great, I knew you could do it. Well, AI can help you alleviate some of these burdens by reducing manual documentation efforts, generate multiple ideas for design very quickly, and speeding up competitive research and synthesis. Most importantly, AI can help you do the tasks that you don't really enjoy doing. If there's an AI tool that can reduce your frustration and free up your time for high-value work, just use it. Develop an AI-enhanced mindset. Rather than fearing AI, treat it as a powerful collaborator. The best UX designers in the future will not be the ones who ignore AI, but those who understand how to use it effectively. And this could mean staying updated on emerging AI tools, understanding AI limitations, so knowing when human judgment is necessary. Also, be intentional with AI use. Avoid over-reliance and fully automated solutions. By cultivating this mindset, you position yourself as a forward-thinking UX designer, ready for the ever-evolving technology realm. So AI is here to enhance our efficiency, optimize workflows, and free up time for strategic thinking. By starting now, using cost-effective tools, and thoughtfully integrating AI into your workflow, you'll stay ahead on an industry that is evolving faster than ever. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which AI tools are you most excited to try this year? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit a like and subscribe if you want to become a design powerhouse with the tools of the future. See you next time.